Alright. On this episode of fucking Ghost Hunters, we're going ghost hunting. I feel chills already. Alright.
Going in blind, boys.
Alright, boys, we're going in blind. Fucking ghost hunters. We're looking for Joey. The spirit's definitely in here. I can feel a tingling sensation in my nutsack. Jesus Christ. Alright. I think we have our first sign of a spirit here. Do you know what this is, Noah? Fucking spirit dust, okay? Tastes like Joey. Ben, give it a taste. Tastes like Joey?
Yeah.
Man, he's here. Get the flashlight, Ben. Joey!
Joey, is that you?
If you're with us, turn off the flashlight. I don't know if he's here, man. Alright. Fucking swap parts are going in the car.
Jesus, man.
Oh, you dick, man.
And some guy commented, like, he requested to follow me, and he went to my, like, earliest post of, like, me in front of the mirror. He's like, damn, bro, you were pretty lean. You still on the grind?
We're not going in?
Huh? Minky, man.
Look at the fucking pickup here.
Nice.
Man, it's looking real moist out here in the rain.
Starter's probably gonna have to be, like, rewired. It's, like, so jank.
Well, Genghis Khan.
A little rusty. There you go, buddy.
I can drive the Civic? No way! No doubt. I've always wanted to drive this. Actually, I had driven the Civic.
I think that's it.
That's all the parts, buddy?
No, you just gotta sit in the fucking RSM for 10 minutes and wait for it to warm up.
Oh, fuck. How come it wasn't warming up when I got here, man?
I don't know. I kind of forgot you had to wait for them to warm up.
You dumb bitch.
It's been a minute. Oh, we need we'll bring the coil wrenches too.
Alright, let's get the coil.
I'm gonna piss and then we'll dip.
Man. Hopefully it starts.
Pray she goes, brother.
Pray she goes. Way she goes, pray she goes. Nice!
You wet, buddy. Should we check the oil before we go? I don't know if either car has enough gas to get there, so it'll be a fun time.
That's sick.
I'm not trying to pull a Nelson out here, so you know.
I'm trying to pull him out, man.
Like this shit's, it's like, hasn't gone down. Watch it.
Alright. Still fucking cool as dick, eh? Yeah.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Yay! I get to drive the Civic. What the fuck? This fucking thing. Just the dirtiest bitch. Oh, shit down there. Yay! Fresheners, check.
Welcome to the club.
I spilled me on my pants. Life suck, oh well, true dad. Woke up and got a bag. 93 octane, that's gas. I spilled me on my pants. Life suck, oh well, true dad. Woke up and got a bag.
Oh, Jesus. Shut the fuck man. Look at it.
Not bad.
That sounds fucking crazy. Like a snow. When you see.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Oh, better.
That sounds fucking wild. Sounds so good.
Oh, dick.
I want to see your dirty ass RX-7, man.
Doing this fucking double pan.
Okay, Ben, do you want to talk about your wheels? Your new wheels?
Yeah, so there's 16 by 10 -2 in the rear, and then 16 by 9.5 -8 in the front, with a 205/40 R16. Yeah, they just barely fit on the rear. I had to clearance the kind of outer edge of the caliper.
Jesus. It looks fucking sick though. Wait, have we done a walk around on this car yet?
Yeah, but it was like...
No, I don't think we have. Pop your fucking hood, bro.
What are you compensating for, Ben?
I took my like intake pipe off last night and put this screen door from upstairs in there.
Oh, right on.
What do you guys think?
It looks pretty good.
Big turbo. Huge peen.
Did they say that?
I don't know, probably not.
Too bad we don't have any turbos, eh?
Dude, do we not have any peens?
I don't know, man. Last time I checked, I thought I did.
Maybe mine's an innie, man.
So RB25 Series 1, Tomei 256 pond cams, Shelby GT 350 injectors, a 0 fab intake with a 90mm throttle body, BorgWarner S300, it's the 60mm. It's pretty much at stock internals. I just re-ringed it and put new bearings in. Well, you could do like one more dyno tune. We just did a street tune last time, so.
Oh, what it make? Or does it not show that?
On the dyno, it made 194 horsepower, and then my idle air control blew up.
Hell yeah.
It's like an NA, but with a turbo.
Sick.
Got a nice little tucky going.
Just don't look under the intake.
Yeah, is there a nest under there?
Yeah, GTR front bumper.
Fenders?
OEM metal fenders, and then the hood. Yeah, it's a tile 44 wastegate, and then you can see the screen pipe right down there.
Alright, it's wastegate. This is Pine Engineering, right?
Yeah, they're Pine Engineering.
Hell yeah.
Not intended for road use, that's what they say on the
Race wheels. Why can we from that side?
So I got seat delete.
Sure, no seats.
Or just sit in the back seat and drive.
Yeah, you're just pretty lanky, so
Yeah,
you sit
pretty
in the
long
back
legs.
seat. Is that
Yeah.
how she goes?
Yeah.
Sit back there. Right on.
What's that switch for?
Oh, that's my E-fin. My girlfriend got me this steering wheel. It's a deep corn 330mm.
Welcome to the club.
I spill lean on my pants. Life suck, oh well, true dad. Woke up and got a bag. 93 octane, that's gas. I spill lean on my pants.
Alright. Ben's doing another Bernie Sanders.
The lift going in over there.
Find, eh?
Dude, barn fine.
Oh yeah, I need to get this.
He's on the burnout pad. You know what this means. With the seat delete.
Jesus dick, man. That actually hurts your ears.
sounded crazy.
Yeah, the turbo sounds insane.
Yeah.
That mount is so close.
I know, it's so homemade. With pipe and stuff.
Give it a sec.
God damn it, Ben. Dude, fuck this thing. Is the fuel pump still going?
Yeah.
Ben, what's the
Starter
unit
gets-
Corolla?
Starter gets stuck. Why do you just keep going?
Do you want me to guide you back? Holy fuck, the box back here. You can come back like 3 feet. Come back. No, I'm gonna fucking die. Hurry it up. We're back there. Holy fuck. Look at how smoky it is. Look at this lineup. Wow. E7, RX7, AE87, E86. Wow.
Wow.
Buddy's blowing it. Maybe we should put the water down too.
He's gonna hold for like 10 minutes.
Okay, it's blowing.
What's going on, boys? Lift's in. There's no power to it yet, but it's in. So that means manual swap's getting started. Like,
Annual swap starting
soon.
next weekend.
Yeah,
How many problems do you think we're gonna have?
all of them.
Every problem.
Like, it's gonna be so fucked, but the pilot bushing is gonna be the worst part.
Yeah. Did you have to put a new one in, or
Yeah.
oh, taking the old one out?
Do
Yeah.
you have a Polar still, or?
No, we can take one.
Sure.
Any problem.
Yeah, not much today. We just dropped off the car and then did some burnies. And we gotta go pick up some new merch for the boys. So that's what we're up to. But yeah, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for all that shit. Stay dicked. Catch you in the next one, boys.
Sounds good.
How's the door closing, man? That's good.
Yeah, Joey's here.
It's Joey, man.
Man, that is fucking